Page 16 and 21.
Well, here's one we haven't seen in a while. Good morning.
Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Good morning.
Both of you are charged with public lewdness. This is a Class A misdemeanor. You are facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you.
On September 1st, 2024, officers were dispatched to 4220 Bissonnet regarding a criminal trespass incident. The police dispatch advised that the homeowner arrived at his residence and discovered a red Toyota Corolla parked on his driveway with two occupants inside the vehicle. The homeowner told the occupants to leave and they did not comply. The officer arrived at the location and discovered the red Toyota.
So here's what just happened. The homeowner arrives home late at night and finds a strange car parked in his driveway. He asks the occupants to leave, but they don't. When police show up, it goes from trespassing to something much more explicit. Both defendants are caught in the act. And worse, they refuse to stop even when ordered by officers. That refusal is a big deal. In court, non-compliance with a lawful order adds weight to the case and makes it much harder for the defense to argue this was just a misunderstanding. What do you think? Should their refusal to stop make their punishment harsher?
Was parked on the resident's driveway. The vehicle engine was off, and the vehicle's front right passenger window was rolled down. The officer approached the vehicle and observed a female, the co-defendant, laying on the front passenger seat, and a male, the other defendant, laying on top of her. The front passenger seat was reclined all the way back. The co-defendant's lower body was nude with her vagina exposed. The other defendant's lower body was nude as well, with his erected penis exposed and touching the co-defendant near her vagina. Officers ordered both individuals to stop their actions and exit the vehicle. The individuals did not comply and they continued with their actions. Both defendants were detained.
Really?
Both defendants were detained. Both individuals were intoxicated with slurred speech and red glossy eyes.
Did you catch that? Both defendants were not only intoxicated, with slurred speech and trouble walking, but also completely undeterred by the presence of police. This isn't just about poor judgment. It paints a picture of recklessness and disregard for authority. Imagine being the homeowner, walking into your own driveway and finding this scene unfolding. It's not just awkward, it's a violation of safety, privacy, and respect for the law. And remember, intoxication doesn't excuse criminal behavior. In fact, it often makes the situation worse in court.
Individuals could not keep their balance and needed assistance walking. Both defendants were secured in the back seats of the police vehicles. The homeowner said he arrived at home at approximately 1:15 a.m. and discovered the red Toyota parked on his driveway. The homeowner said that he did not know the individuals and he saw a male and a female kissing while sitting on the front right passenger seat.
I am going to find that there's probable cause to go forward in both of your cases, and I would hope that you would recognize.
The judge is crystal clear here. Private acts belong in private spaces. By turning this into a public event, the defendants crossed a serious line. But notice how the judge doesn't just scold them. He imposes strict conditions. No alcohol, no drugs, and absolutely no public intimacy. This isn't just moral advice. It's legally binding. If either defendant slips up, they're looking at jail time. Judges often use conditions like this to give defendants one last chance to prove they can follow the law. Question for you. If you were the judge, would you give them this chance or send them straight to jail?
That this is something that's supposed to be a private event between both of you and not to display it to the entire world. I am now making it a condition on both of you guys not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. I'm going to randomly test each of you. If I find that you're consuming alcohol, I'm going to put you in jail or illegal drugs. Likewise, I'm ordering you not to have sex in public. If you're going to have any kind of relations, do it indoors. Do you understand?
Sí,
Yes.
sí, disculpe.
Tell me,
Sorry.
are both of you United States citizens?
¿Ciudadanos estadounidenses?
Perdón.
¿Es ciudadano estadounidense, sí o no?
No, no, es muy grande.
Mr. Vasquez, are you here with or without permission in this country?
Without permission.
Ms. Pacheco, are you here with or without permission?
Without permission.
Do you know what happens if you go to jail?
¿Saben qué es lo que les pasa? Puede pasar si van a la cárcel.
Sí, disculpe. Sí.
Do you know what happens if you go to jail?
Si va a la cárcel.
No sabe.
No, I don't know.
Think, piense,
Sí.
¿qué pasa si te ponen en la cárcel?
Disculpe, señor juez, la verdad que cometimos una disculpe.
I'm trying to give you a warning,
Estoy tratando
and I want you to think
advertencia
about it.
que piensen
If you go to jail,
Es un castigo.
Es
un castigo.
a punishment.
no. If you go to jail,
Si usted va a la cárcel,
immigration will find you.
migración lo encontrará.
They will put a detainer on each of you. You will be stuck in jail for the next 6 to 9 months,
6 a 9.
waiting for immigration to do whatever they're going to do to you. You cannot bond out, and you will be stuck there for about the next 9 months.
9 meses.
If you do not want this to happen, do not violate the conditions I've set forth now. This is the only warning you will get from me. I'm not going to do it again. If you're incapable of having relations indoors, then you'll be doing it in the jail.
Lo harán en la cárcel.
Do each of you understand?
Cada uno de ustedes entiende?
Sí, entendemos.
Yes, we understand.
Tom, so you're representing only this gentleman? Okay. Ms. Pacheco,
Señora Pacheco,
tell me about yourself. Do you work?
¿trabaja? ¿Trabaja?
Sí.
Yes.
What do you do, ma'am?
¿Qué tipo de trabajo hace?
Remodelación.
Remodeling.
Do you have children?
¿Tiene hijos? One.
Where is this child?
Guatemala.
Okay. What kind of income do you earn?
¿Qué cantidad de ingresos recibe?
500.
500.
How much a month?
¿Cuánto el mes?
2000.
2000.
Do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am?
No.
Let's do this. I want you to fill out an application for me, and I'll determine whether you qualify for a court-appointed lawyer or not. As it stands now, each of you do not violate these conditions.
Ustedes no violan esa-
I will put you in jail. Do you get no more warning? I told them no more alcohol, no more dope, because they're intoxicated. Not only that,
Solamente
who's driving?
quien condució
It's a red
es
truck. Is that your truck
rojo. ¿Es suyo? el carro?
It's a
or a
Corolla.
Corolla? No driving. You do not have a Texas driver license. I am now making that a condition as well.
Eso no-
Mr. Vasquez, if I find that you drive, likewise, you will go to jail. I don't care what your excuse is. Guys, I will have you sign a reset with Victoria. Both of you will also, Mr. Vasquez, I'm going to have you come up and sign a promise with me that you're not to drive. After that, both of you will meet with pretrial, sign your bond conditions. And after that, Mr. Vasquez will release you to your lawyer. Ms. Pacheco, we will have you take a seat in the jury box while we review your application. Please, guys.